Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for May 24th. We are looking at the U.S. Japanese yen pair. This pair closed down today, but just by a little bit, had a decent range compared to the body of the candle. Did not break previous resistance. We are looking for this pair to overall continue its movement to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 82.60. Possibly as low as 81.21. Look for some resistance around 82.25 and look for some support around 81.45. Okay, let's look at the Euro USD pair. This pair closed, created an inside bar, closed up. We are looking for it to continue moving sideways overall, potentially going as high and hitting resistance at 14200. Possibly moving down and hitting support around 139.66. Now looking at the pound US dollar pair, this pair broke through previous support but pulled all the way back up, closed higher, moving sideways overall still. Look for it to potentially go as high as 163.23, possibly as low as 159.92. Look for some resistance around 162.32 and look for some support around 160.56. Now the U.S. Swiss, this pair closed lower after moving very high. It did run into previous area of support, resistance rather, and then moved lower. Still looking for this pair to move sideways, possibly going as high and hitting resistance at 0.8895, possibly moving down and hitting support around 0.8746. Now as far as news announcements go, we have the pound releasing their gross domestic product for the first quarter at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has not moved from 0.5%. We also have year-to-date numbers showing that they have held as well at 1.8%. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if you go to the New Zealand US dollar pair and go to the 4-hour time frame, we actually have about a 20 pip window here that has not been broken as of yet, and I am looking for it to push through this area to the downside. Basically looking for a short at 0.7940 and then looking to exit the trade at 0.7920, grabbing 20 pips from this movement. It's basically a window of opportunity that we have here created by this strong up bar. And then the pullback, and even prior to that we have an area of resistance. So basically looking for a break of support down to past resistance that would now be support. Hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.